how to increase download speed on Chrome browser. So if you want to increase the download speed on Chrome browser, then first you need to open up your Chrome application or your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome browser, now you need to go for the search and search for Chrome flags. So you need to simply enter the same kind of interface which I have right here and hit the search. Once you've searched, now you'll have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is simply go for search flags, and under search flags you need to search for downloading. And once you search for downloading, here you will have parallel downloading, right? You need to simply tap on the drop down bar and make sure that you have selected the enable option. Once you've selected the enable, now you can remove, and then you can again open up your browser and go for the new tab, and that's it. By doing that, your download speed will be increased on your Chrome browser. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.